Am I audible, guys? Clear, voice is clear, right? Because I was not able to get my Epic pen, so that I went to Zoom and I try to get the this one. Okay, fine. So let us start with today's pre-market analysis of 29th November, Wednesday. So let us see what happened in last few days. You can see that last few days market was in a consolidation zone, right? Market was in a consolidation zone in Nifty, and finally yesterday made a breakout, right? Yesterday that consolidation zone has made a breakout. If you draw a line, if you draw a horizontal line from here, you can see that this was the strong resistance. On 23rd, you can see that that price went and took the resistance on that strong supply zone. And on yesterday, that is on 28th November, finally price made a breakout, right? Price made a breakout from here. So we are out of the consolidation zone of this last 3 4 days, right? So we are out of the consolidation. So if we go to daily time frame, let us see what we can see from the daily time frame. So you can see that from daily time frame also we have broken that strong resistance, right? We have broken this candle high, that is the 16 November candle high, and we have closed above it. So let me just expand the chart so that you can clearly see it. So we have closed above it. Now this candle was a strong resistance. This candle low was the strong resistance. That is 20th September candle was a strong resistance because it made a gap there, right? 20th September and next candle, they had a gap. So this gap was filled here by this candle. Then again on this day, you can see that candle went there and took a reversal. And yesterday that candle closed above it. Closing is important. If candle closed above it, that means that resistance was broken. So that means we are now in uncharted territory in Nifty. Now, what is the meaning of that? That meaning of that means since Nifty closed above that, can you see any other resistance for Nifty above this? If today Nifty opens somewhere here, this candle high may be resistance, but once it is broken, you can see that next resistance at 20,050 level, right? That is this candle high. Until then, we have a huge window mean one resistance to another resistance. So you can see that this entire candle low to high will be a big window. That means there is no resistance for Nifty till here. But still we are we should not be overconfident thinking that Nifty doesn't have any resistance. Why I am saying that? Because let's go to Bank Nifty now and let us discuss Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, you can see that Bank Nifty also, let me draw that important level. You can see that this candle high was an important level, and on 28th you can see that 28th candle high, right? 28th candle high took the resistance, made a bearish candle, and 29th this sorry 28th is yesterday. Yesterday this candle high was broken and suddenly it reversed, and again finally it closed exactly at the same level, right? So that is the price action. And today if market opens a gap up or opens above the or breaks the previous day high, then you may think that Nifty I'll go long because Nifty doesn't have any resistance. But for today, this will be one of the very strong resistance. Okay, so this will be very strong resistance. That is that is this 16th November low will be very strong resistance. So that is what you have to keep in a mind. So that's why even Bank Nifty can start going up and suddenly may reverse, and you may start wondering why Nifty is reversing when why Nifty is reversing when there is no resistance, but Bank Nifty have a resistance. So this level you have to closely watch today. Okay, that is 16 November low. Okay, so I'll mark it properly when we go to the 5 minutes time frame. Before that, let's go to Nifty and let us see Nifty 5 minutes time frame and see what could be likely price action today, how market opens, where it can open, and how is the CPR, everything that we'll see it on 5 minutes time frame. So today, one of the strong resistance for Nifty would be, anyways, this will be strong resistance. That is the yesterday's previous day. So this is where Nifty yesterday made a breakout, right? If you look at the Nifty, this was the strong resistance, that red level which I marked on the daily time frame. It broke it, made a fake breakout, and again took the support and finally closed above it. So today you should know that wherever Nifty opens, whether Nifty opens near the previous day close or below the previous day close, wherever, if Nifty opens with a bearish candle, if Nifty opens with a bearish candle, then okay, if Nifty opens somewhere here, bearish candle, then this entire level would be strong support. This entire level, what you see on your chart, this could be strong support. Okay, so that's why don't get excited looking at the bearish candle thinking that market is reversing, let me go long, because it can take support anywhere in this place near the CPR or near this consolidation zone, and again it can start going up. So that is the one thing in Nifty. Suppose Nifty opens with a bullish candle, makes a OD pattern, open drive pattern like this, breaking the previous day high, then taking long also, maybe I don't see high probability pattern, because Bank Nifty has shown you that Bank Nifty have a strong resistance, right? Bank Nifty can take a resistance and then reverse. So only if somebody is a scalper who want to take the trade for few points, such people, okay, for few points now near the R1 pivot or something, you can take the resistance. Otherwise, sometimes what happens, it looks like it's going to be a trending day, and Bank Nifty, I shown you that Bank Nifty have a strong resistance, then it can suddenly reverse, totally U-turn it can make it, and you get trapped, right? So that is why you should be watching Nifty along with Bank Nifty chart today, because Bank Nifty have a strong resistance. So that is what for today's what we discussed that today strong level will be this entire red level, that will be strong support for Nifty. Okay, only if that resistance break, that level breaks, then could be next strong support will be this, because this is the consolidation zone, right? This is yesterday's consolidation zone, which can work as a strong support. Okay, so this entire near the S1 pivot, that could be strong support. So that is the price action today. One resistance is 19,917, that is the previous day high. If it breaks, still it may not continue the trend, because Bank Nifty have a strong resistance. So what we'll do now, Bank Nifty will mark that level, right? That is the 16 November high, and let's go to 5 minutes time frame. So let me expand the chart. Okay, CPR, we have an average CPR, not a very wide CPR in Nifty. Bank Nifty also we have an average CPR. So Bank Nifty will mark the previous day high also. Let me mark the previous day high. Right. So Bank Nifty, you can see that next resistance is 44,071. So today 43,961 breaks in Bank Nifty, then next resistance could be 44,071. So you have to very closely watch this level. So sometimes even that level can break and it can make a fake breakout. So that is why what I do is, along with the red line, I'll make another small line. Okay. So even that red line breaks, you can make a this also another resistance. So that is the close, near the close of 16 November. Okay, so this both levels are very important levels for Bank Nifty today. That is the 44,071 till 44,155. Okay, So this level would be strong resistance. So today's price action in Bank Nifty also, it can come take support because Nifty have a strong support near the CPR. Bank Nifty also can take support somewhere here, and again it can break previous day high and somewhere here in this zone. Again, afternoon or late afternoon it can reverse. So it may find very difficult to break this both the levels in Bank Nifty. So that is the price action for Nifty Bank Nifty today's pre-market analysis. So if I have to summarize in few points, though Nifty looks like it is in uncharted territory because in the bigger time frame there is no resistance above the previous day high, but Bank Nifty have a strong resistance near 44,071, 44,155. So that is why be careful going long in Nifty. If Nifty closes, if Nifty opens near this CPR and makes a bullish pattern, then there is a opportunity in Nifty for scalpers. If you see a bullish price action, then there is a opportunity to book the profit near the next resistance near the previous day. Okay, so that's it guys about today's pre-market analysis. Any questions? So yesterday I was a little bit busy with some personal work, so that's why I could not come. So that's why yesterday was not there pre-market analysis. Any questions? Should we exit manually? Yes, you have to exit manually. What if Nifty opens gap up? Okay, if Nifty opens gap up, you have to see where Nifty opened gap up. Okay, if Nifty opened exactly near the previous day close, then you have to see whether it makes a bullish candle or a bearish candle. If it makes a bullish candle, as I said, it may not keep going in a trend for a very long time because Bank Nifty have a resistance. If it makes a bearish, opens a gap up and bearish candle, then it can come all the way till the CPR, and this is the strong support for Nifty today. If the close above 20k, can we go long? So it is not about close above 20k, 21k and all this. What I said, you have to watch closely Bank Nifty chart today. Even if you see Nifty bullish, then you have to see Bank Nifty chart very closely because these are the two levels which is very, very important for Bank Nifty where Bank Nifty can reverse today. SGX Nifty showing yes, if SGX Nifty showing big gap up, but that is what, even though Nifty you want to trade in Nifty, look at this, what Bank Nifty is doing around this level. So today closely watch this level, what Bank Nifty is doing. Even Nifty opens gap up. So whenever there is a big gap up, somebody is asking a good question. SGX Nifty is showing big gap up. So whenever there is a big gap up, you should know that how big is the gap. Okay, you should know how big is the gap. Sometimes if gap is very small mean within 50 60 points and all this, then normally what happens, gap opens here with a bearish candle and finally gap gets filled. That means there comes a shorting opportunity. But if gap is too big, then many times gap doesn't fill on the same day. It opens it entire day, it trades in a range. So that means it's a good day for straddle and strangle sellers, right? Because they want market to stay sideways. So that's what, if gap is too big, then I say market may stay sideways, opens gap up and entire day market may stay sideways. Or if gap is not too big, then it may again come back to the reversion mean to right. So that is mean it can come back to near the previous day close. So that's why only thing I can say that today don't forget to keep Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty has to break this level, then only we can see that some important resistance broke. Okay, so that's it guys. We'll meet tomorrow with tomorrow's pre-market analysis on 30th November. All right, tomorrow is expiry Nifty Bank Nifty. Today there is no expiry. So that's it. Have a good trading day and don't trade without stop loss.